Are you juggling work, errands, and your pet's mealtime only to find yourself scrambling to feed your furballs on time? Imagine a solution that lets you take control, even when you're stuck in traffic or away for the night. Introducing the automatic cat feeder, Wi-Fi dog food dispenser with app control for 2 cats and dogs, 6L elevated timed dog feeder programmable 1 to 10 meals, 10's meal call, dual power supply, 2 stainless bowls, a smart pet feeder engineered for busy pet parents across the US. Share real user reviews, and help you pick the one that keeps your cats and dogs fed, happy, and on schedule. No more guilt, no more chaos. Pros Dual Bowls supports feeding 2 pets at once. Dual power supply, USB plus D-cell batteries, continues working in power outages. Amazon. Elevated, tilted bowls reduce strain on pet necks. Cons may clog if kibble is overly large or irregular. Wi-Fi coverage must reach pet area. Cleaning internal parts may require care. One user praised that it gave peace of mind during travel and let them check feeding logs remotely. Why you might pick it. If you own 2 pets and want a single device to handle both, this dual bowl, app control feeder is a strong candidate. When to choose this? Go for the pet safe if you want advanced controls, portion flexibility, and you're okay with having just 1 pet per unit, or investing in 2. Its mature app and smart features make it a favorite in the US market. User feedback. Many users report using it for years. One said notifications and logs work great, and another praised the manufacturer's prompt replacement support. Why pick it? If you have 1 pet and want maximum capacity and smart features, this model offers strong performance and is great for users who dislike frequent refills. 2 pets eating independently? The Dual Bowl B0D12MX CPB is your best bet. Most advanced app and settings? PetSafe Smart Feed offers mature features and broad support in the US.